security dog. You got to kind of run your bags through. Check out. Hi, how are you? Nice security. You want me to go through that? Okay, so that's a good sign. Is that for me?
Yes.
Just one? I'm kidding. Thank you. Thank you. There's the welcoming drink. That's me, yep.
It's okay, sir. I can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah, you book for a deluxe room.
Whatever I did, yeah? You want to upgrade me? Go ahead. Mark's taking care of me.
And for the bed type, sir, this would be one king size bed.
Sounds good, yeah. Sounds very good. What area are we in of the city right now? What area of town? Are we center or out of the center?
The center of Cebu City.
Okay, so what's like the main attraction in the, is it shopping mall or is it?
Shopping mall, and we do have, we call it Cebu Mercado.
Okay, what's that?
It's a lot of Pinoy food or Filipino food.
Little local markets, sellers, little sellers that sell stuff in the markets.
Yeah, we do have at Colon Street.
Cullen, yeah, I've been down there, yeah.
Downtown.
Yeah, okay. All right, well, we'll see. So I'm just heading to the room. Who am I with? What's your name?
Joey, sir.
Joey. So Joey, how long you worked at the hotel for?
Yes, sir. Almost 1 year. One year
yeah?
for this month.
How was it going?
Yes, good.
Yeah?
Great.
Did you work in other hotels before? Or?
Yes, sir.
Which ones? Or?
Actually, Park Lane and my hotel.
Ah, yeah. Park Lane sounds like a fancy name.
Yes, sir.
What's interesting is there's this hotel has a lot of 8s on the door, and that's because their owner here is Chinese. So that's me, and it's a shower. Everything's kind of in its place. I don't want to spend too much time on my room interview, but this room is around about 35 to 38 US dollars for the room. It's pretty nice and cozy. Oh, that is a comfortable bed. Guys, we got a comfortable bed. Let's see what we got going on here. I've got my own patio. This is new. This is new. This is cool. All right. Wow, I feel like I'm in like the financial district. It's very strange. I've never actually seen a hotel like this. And what's cool is they've, hey, this hotel's treating me okay. They've given me kind of like an upgrade here. Nobody else has got a patio like I do. So hey, I'm pretty happy about that. So it looks like it's almost like I'm down in the financial district, but I'll get my bearings here pretty quick here. Oh, there's a shopping mall. Okay, this is starting to make sense now. And you can see a lot of construction over there. Good afternoon from the crazy Cebu. All right, so something we gotta do today. I gotta buy a bottle of Pepsi. Don't forget, I'll tell you why. And I'm at the Carbon Market here in Cebu. And lots of crazy things going on, lots of stuff going on around me too. So I'll just try to keep it together. So as I was telling you guys, I just got off the island of Leyte, and there's about 7,000 islands here in the Philippines. And one thing I didn't know is that only 2,000 of them are named. So if you ever want to get an island and conquer it, here's the place to do it. Now, the thing that's interesting about the Philippines is, I mean, it's a havoc for earthquakes and typhoons, and they always kind of have this problem. I mean, I heard that they have at least 5 earthquakes a year and one big whopper usually every 10 years. So I've just got to watch what I'm doing down here. Lots of interesting characters down here. A lot of food too. So enough of pretty much the history lesson. The people are quite nice. I mean, for a country that is, 97% Christian, it's very cool. And I didn't know the flag of the Philippines, it rotates colors. It has a top blue and a bottom red when the country is within peace, and then when it's under war, they actually rotate the colors. I didn't really know that. So, I don't know, it could be the earthquakes, the volcanoes, the typhoons, who knows. But anyway, I'm down in the market area here. It's pretty wild. I'm gonna get run over. Let's see what we got down here. Now this is the real shopping to me, down in these old markets. But you know, the Filipinos, they do love shopping because they have 3 out of the top 10 malls by size in the world. So it's quite interesting. And another thing I want to find down here is a yo-yo. The yo-yo was invented in the Philippines here. What do we got here? Haven't really been given much instructions. Everybody said just go that way, so that's where I'm going. Now this actually looks like a glorified golf cart. I guess these are the new improved trikes they got here. Very interesting. So what are we going to find down here? What on earth have we got here? Oof. Well, this is the Carbon Market. You can see they got fish. They kind of make it on the spot or deliver it to you. I'm not a big fan of the street food, just not because it's probably pretty damn good, but the fact of the matter is that I don't have an iron stomach. This is a really cool country. It's got over 100 million people. It's the exporter of approximately 25% of the world's nurses. So it's a pretty good possibility you're going to run into a nursing student down here from the university or one in your own country. Wow, this is all food. Oh, look at this, guys. What's your name?
Louis.
Louis. I'm here with Louis here. Where are we, Louis?
We are here at Cebu near Carbon Public Market in Cebu City, Philippines.
So it's Leo, right? Leo?
Louis. L-O-U-I-E.
L-O-U-I-E. So Louis is telling me about the lechon tomorrow. Where should I get it?
The lechon, the best delicacy or the best recipe in the Filipino tradition is lechon. It's a roasted pig. It will takes 4 to 5 hours to be done. Charcoal boiled pig, the whole pig, and it's going to be found here in only Cebu, the best and the most delicious lechon you can have here in the Philippines in Cebu City.
So I'm coming down here tomorrow to try it.
Okay.
Any other recommendations in Philippines? Anything I gotta try? Karaoke? I love karaoke.
What do you mean? It's karaoke?
I love karaoke.
Do you sing a lot?
I certainly do.
Okay, much more because Cebuanos are good singers as well.
I know. Everywhere I go, there's always music.
Yes.
It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah,
There's my card.
Okay.
You can find yourself on there in a while.
Thank you so
You've been a
much.
great guy. Thanks a lot,
Okay, thank you so much.
What are you drinking there? What do you...
This is a Filipino dessert, malagkit.
Yeah?
It's made of coconut milk.
Okay. They love their coconuts here, don't they?
Yeah.
Love their
Rice and kamote, sweet potato.
Okay, wow.
Cassava.
You have that every day?
No, not really every day. Sometimes twice a week or
Oh, you stay in good shape, man.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, good to see you. All right.
All right,
Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye. That's fun. That's a local guy here. We're in a very interesting street, probably one of the loudest streets I've ever encountered here in the Philippines. Just take back on what I'm about to show you. I mean, there's scooters coming down. Hi, how are you? How's it going? It seems to be a place for kids to play arcade. I mean, you can see up top here, people are living up here, and they got lots of food. It's just probably the busiest street and the most colorful street in the Philippines. Now you're gonna get people that will stick to the shopping malls, but you gotta come down here and check this out. I mean, I'm not sure if they really like me filming down here. Oh, they seem to do. Hi, how are you? And I'm almost done through the street, but it's pretty chaos. But also I'm seeing a lot of people sitting in internet cafes watching a lot of programs, TV programs, and the Filipinos love their drama television. I just left the Sitio Bato area of the market here. There's an interesting guy there at the back of the market. He was kind of asking me what the hell I was doing down here, so wow. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of those coconuts. All right, got to get out of this street. Got a lot of interesting smells down here. It's either from people, because you're smoking hot and sweating.
Hey, dude.
Or from, hey man, are you from vehicles? Or from cooking something? You name it, it's down here. There's the Filipino flag, and you see the top blue part of the flag and the red part of the flag. Well, that means the country is at peace, and apparently they switch the red and the blue when there is absolute turmoil here. So I was never aware of that in this country of 100 million people, but apparently that is a fact. We're looking at the jeepneys again. God, you gotta travel in one of the jeepneys, it's very cool, but I'm gonna find myself a bottle of Pepsi. Now, a country that is religious as the Philippines, you're going to see churches pretty much everywhere. It's fairly evident. And I wanted to also tell you guys about all this cabling here. You see all this cabling above here on the wires. This is internet cabling, telecommunication cabling on the lower part. And then you got much higher up, you got the electricity part. Well, this is one of the things is when the weather goes a bit haywire here, this is the first thing to come down to hit the street. So getting solid, consistent internet is pretty difficult. There's interesting wiring and plumbing. Right, so the mission is to find a bottle of Pepsi here. And I got a very bizarre story to tell you guys about Pepsi in the Philippines, and it's not good. It's quite funny actually. Well, funny at the start, but not so funny.